I'm going to teach you how to cook a burger the same temperature from end to end and from top to bottom. Part of our cooking process is actually cooking this burger a little bit lower, a little bit slower, and rotating the meat quite often because you're going to get a really even cook. I'm going to start by seasoning this burger, just using kosher salt, seasoning on both sides. I also like to season from up top because when you season from up top, we've got a better distribution of salts. And I have a grill pan that I've oiled down, and we're on medium-low heat. Low and slow. It's really important that we let this burger sit for about a minute, just so it crusts over just enough so it's not going to fall apart when we flip it. I'm going to be flipping the burger every 30 seconds or so, rotating it 90 degrees each time, and the whole goal is to have a very evenly cooked burger. So I'm just going to rotate it, and I'm going to flip it over once more. And you can see we've got these really perfect cross hatches. I like to do cross hatches just because I very much am obsessed with the small details in cooking. And even if nobody knows that it's there, I know it's there. One of the things that I like to do is I like to get down and be eye level with the burger so I can actually see the walls of it, whether they're caving in, whether they're ballooning like a V shape. And it's a really good way to tell if I'm overcooking it on one side versus the other, because we can always even it out. To be able to tell when my burgers are done, I actually really prefer to have one of these. And this is just a cake tester. I'm going to insert it into my burger from the side in the middle. I'll leave it for a minute. Then I'm going to pull it out. And I'm going to put it on my wrist or under my lip. And right now, this feels like it's just above my body temperature. It's warm. So that means that my burger is done. So resting our meat after we've cooked it is one of the key steps to making the perfect burger. My rule of thumb, anytime I cook meat, is that once it comes off of the heat, whether that's a grill or a pan or the oven, that it sits in someplace warm and rests for half the amount of time that it took to cook it.